hiding? You the pretty girl? Hello?
Girl?
Oh yeah, that's female. Hello, pretty girl. Hello. It's pretty. Look at you. Guys, this is like maybe 100 feet away from my house.
Only about 30 feet away from us right now.
Look at her. You found something tasty to eat?
I was telling you, they come up in behind our yard at nighttime. There's what the dogs are barking at. Oh my God, is that a puffball mushroom over there?